Hey, Evie. 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 Come on. Hi, Gretel. Doing good? Doing good, Gretel? Say hi, Evie. Say hi today to everybody. No? Time to eat grass again? Time to eat grass again? Is it time to eat grass again, Evie? Okay. You like the grass near the spreader? Hey, hey, hey. You okay, Gretel? Feeling better? Doing okay? What's that? What's that, Evie? Evie, Evie, no grass. We're getting ready to have dinner. We're getting ready to have dinner. You get spinach and sweet potatoes and everything else, and you eat grass. What's that about? Huh? What's that about? Gretel feeling better? Back to normal almost, huh? Back to normal, Gretel? Back to normal? Yeah, so good, Gretel. So good. So good. You're losing all your puppy fur, Evie. You're losing all your puppy fur. You're losing all your puppy fur. Evie. 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 No more grass, okay? No more grass. You guys want to get something to eat? Getting hungry? Getting hungry? Evie, are you getting hungry? No? You getting hungry? No? Getting hungry, Gretel? You getting hungry? Guess not. I gotta go cook dinner. Gotta go cook dinner. Want some dinner, Gretel? Want some dinner today, Gretel? No? Hmm? No? Okay.